Hi folks, let's see how can we import World Creator terrain into the Iclone 8. First, we export the mesh and the other mapping files from World Creator 2022. Yes, this is our island, the terrain, as you see. Yes, let's quick preview. And then we switch on the ground plate. Otherwise we cannot export the mesh. Yes, as you see, it's already switched on. And then we switch to export tab. Yes, this means 2K resolution. Half meter means 2K resolution, which is very suitable and accurate for Iclone 8. I already tried 4K, but Iclone could not import the mesh. 2K is okay. Yes, here this is our export tab. I already added the options, the items which I wanna export it. The color map is in EXR format, load 32 bit depth. I already created an empty folder, World Creator Island named. We select that folder. As you see, our file is here, already exported, included mesh. It takes a while. Yes. Let's import the mesh into the Iclone 8. Click File, select Import, and then select Object, which includes FBX format, as you see. Yeah, let's find out the folder. Then we select Mesh, then we click Open. It seems imported, but nothing happened. I don't know why. It's already in FBX format, but Iclone cannot import with this technique. As you see, our mesh is here, seems here, but comes nothing. As you see, nothing appeared in the scene. So how can we fix this? Let's open the Blender. We select and delete everything. We don't need them. Yeah, let's import into the Blender. We select import and FBX. Let's find our folder on the desktop. I already created or created island folder. We select mesh, the first exported file, directly from the World Creator. As you see, that file. Now we start importing. It will take a while. It's coming. Yes, here is our mesh. Seems okay with 2K resolution. Now we are exporting the mesh as FBX. Let's rename it into the same folder. Let's say island mesh Iclone. we are exporting into the same folder as FBX file. It takes a while also. It's coming, it's on the way. Yeah, because it's in 2K resolution. Yeah, it's here now. As you see, our island mesh is here in FBX format. Let's try one more time. Import and change option to object. Includes FBX format. Yes, this time we're going to select the exported mesh from Blender. As you see, it's processing. Yes, as you see, we have our mesh in Iclone in 2K resolution, highly detailed, but there's no material seams because I just only wanted to show you how to import Iclone 8 from World Creator. Thanks for watching. If you find the content useful, please consider like and subscribe. You can support the channel in the Patreon if you wish. The link in the description. So take care. See you later.